Hey guys, welcome to Market Monday. Hope everybody's doing well. So let's talk today about um, what is keeping some people from buying a home, and are you ready to buy a home? So everybody begins with finances. Obviously, that's a big deal for most people. Most people aren't putting 100% cash down, so they're financing most of their home. What does it take in order to get a home? And most lenders, a 620 credit score. And that may vary. You may be able to get it lower than that with some lenders and some loan products. You have to talk to your lender about that. So, if you're on the border, talk to somebody. Grab your real estate agent, grab your lender, and talk through that. If you're below that mark and you know it, um, don't lose hope, because there's a lot of things you can do with your credit that will raise that number relatively quickly. A lot of times it's just a matter of doing a simple pull your credit report and finding some of the things that are wrong and getting those fixed. Um, and then other times there's a few steps that you can take that really drastically will change that number over a relatively short amount of time. So talk to your lender about that. If your lender will not engage you in that type of conversation, get a better lender. That's the only thing I can say. Is your lender, like, that's what they're there for. That's one of the things that they should be counseling on you on, telling you how to get there. They should want you to be able to get into a home, get into a mortgage. And so if they won't talk to you about these things, then call me and let's find you a lender that will, because most of them, many of them will. They desire that. That's part of their job. It's part of what they do on a regular basis. So, 620 credit score and job history. And really, if you've been working um, in the same industry or similar industry for a amount of time, a couple of years maybe, you've been, even if it's you've been working at Sonic for 2 years, like, that's good. That's really good. And most lenders can work with that. Again, that's just going to be between you and the lender. So don't let the thought that my job doesn't pay a certain level, I'm not exactly where I want to be financially. um, a lot of times you can still get into a home. There's a lot of different loan products, especially for first-time home buyers. So don't let those things hinder you. Don't let the fear of the unknown um, stop you from doing something that may be a really, really beneficial thing for you. Buying a home is one of the key aspects that people look at when building wealth. Owning a home, it's something to take pride in. It's something that some of us take for granted, because we've owned a home for so long. It's something we overlook and take for granted. But for many, um, there's fear that has come around buying a home, and it's not should not be that way. And I want you to make sure that you hear from a real estate professional that there's a really, really good chance that you can get into a home. So talk to your real estate professional, talk to your lender, find out what's best for you, what loan product would be best for you, and how to accomplish the goals that you have. So till next time, we'll see you.